Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mirror images in Canva. So you are going to go and select like uploads or like any other images. Basically I'm just going to select this image of apparently okay, no, it's not my laptop, it's just a screenshot of something and I want to mirror it. So I'm just going to simply select flip horizontal or vertical to mirror it. But if you want to like actually create this kind of mirror effect, I'm just going to use this as an example. Just going to select copy and paste. Okay, that's okay, copy and paste. And then on the second one, I'm just going to select flip vertical and then flip horizontal to create this kind of reflection. Oh, maybe not. Okay, there you go. And it's going to create this like sort of reflection on these two, or you can do it the other way. So just select the flip button to basically mirror it. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!